Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Translate app. After you open up your Google Translate app, next thing you need to do is to download a language that we like to use for offline translation with Google Translate Camera. And for that, what you want to do is to click on the language translate right here. Then go ahead and choose your preferred language for offline translations right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to translate to this particular language in offline using Google Translate Camera. What we want to do is to click on here to download the language first. So this is going to pump up. Click on download. So just like what you see right here, the language has been successfully downloaded. Now, how are we going to use this particular offline language right here to translate, sign, screenshot, or any text from whatever language to a particular desired language that we download right here in offline? First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my data. I'm going to swipe down right here and then turn off my mobile data. And my Wi-Fi is off. My hotspot here is going to be off as well. Now, next thing I'm going to do is to exit from here now, then go back to my Google Translate right here. Now, first thing first, we need to make sure we set our language right here. So my detected language here is going to be English language. So your detected language can be any language, and make sure you download the language also. Then go ahead and select your translated into language right here. I'm going to click on here. So I'm going to choose the download language right here, which is this Bulgarian right here. So I'm going to select the download language. You can download as many as possible language right here. So once you select your download language, go ahead and open up your camera right here. When you open up your camera, this is going to open up like so. You can see no connection right here. There are two ways to use this camera section. You can either upload a picture or your screenshot, or better still, you can live snap a picture and it will give you auto translation based on the language you choose down below right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at a particular screenshot. So I'm going to click on image right here. So what you need to do here is to select a particular image that you want to translate. So I'm going to select this particular image right here. So you can see right here, it has automatically translated to our desired language right here, just like what you see right here. So you can do it for live snap of a particular picture or sign or what have you. So you can see we are still under no connection right here. It's that simple. You can also come right here and switch to another language that you have already downloaded so far. So you can check them out right here and then choose any other language that you want to translate into. So some of the language right here are downloadable. You can download them and then use it for translate. So if you want to use it for a sign, just go ahead and position the camera on a particular sign, and it's going to snap it and it will automatically translate to your desired chosen language right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.